Welcome back to Auto Craze. If you're passionate about motorcycles, touring beasts, and the machines that redefine long-distance comfort and power, you've just landed on the perfect video. Make sure to hit that subscribe button, drop a like, and turn on the bell icon so you never miss out on the latest bike news, reviews, and updates from around the world. Today, we're diving into something truly exciting of the 2025 Honda Gold Wing Trike, the newest arrival that's turning heads and making waves in the touring segment. If you're a fan of power, comfort, and innovation all rolled into one three-wheeled monster, you're going to love what Honda has done this year. Let's kick things off with what makes the 2025 Honda Gold Wing Trike such a game-changer. This isn't just a trike conversion slapped onto a bike, it's a purpose-driven machine that blends Honda's legendary engineering with the stability, power, and road presence of a high-end touring trike. Built for riders who crave the freedom of the open road but also want the extra comfort and balance a trike provides. The 2025 model is Honda's bold step into the future of three-wheel touring. The first thing that grabs your attention about the new Gold Wing Trike is the exterior. From front to rear, Honda has dialed up the design elements to match modern aesthetics without sacrificing the Gold Wing's classic identity. The front fairing is sleeker and more aerodynamic than ever, giving it a bold, futuristic stance. LED lighting dominates the face of this machine, with piercing headlights and a dynamic, sculpted front that screams modern performance. Moving down the side, you notice the perfectly integrated body panels, all designed for aerodynamic efficiency and visual appeal. The fenders are extended and wider to accommodate the trike's rear axle, but they blend in seamlessly with the overall design. Honda didn't just slap on a third wheel, they reimagined the entire structure for the trike format. It looks factory-built because it is. The lines flow beautifully from the front fairing through the side panels and all the way to the expansive rear end. Speaking of the rear, that's where the magic really happens. The dual-wheel rear setup is housed under sculpted, muscular fenders that give the bike a powerful, planted look. There's also a redesigned tail section with integrated LED taillights and turn signals, making sure you stay visible and stylish at all times. The 2025 model comes with a new selection of color options too, from classic metallic black to a striking pearl white, even a deep crimson red that gives it a royal, commanding presence on the road. Let's talk performance. At the heart of this trike is the same legendary 1833cc six-cylinder engine that's become synonymous with the Gold Wing name. It's smooth, powerful, and incredibly refined. Honda has fine-tuned the engine mapping for better low-end torque and smoother acceleration in the 2025 model, giving you effortless power delivery whether you're cruising through a national park or overtaking on the highway. The 7-speed dual-clutch transmission remains a highlight. You can ride in full automatic mode for a relaxed experience or switch to manual paddle shifters for more control. Either way, the transitions are buttery smooth, and the gearbox has been updated for 2025 with smarter shifting algorithms. It knows when to hold gears longer on climbs, downshift smoothly on descents, and adapt to your riding style in real time. Now, since we're dealing with a trike, stability and handling are crucial. The 2025 Gold Wing Trike uses a purpose-built rear suspension system that ensures a balanced ride, even when carrying a passenger or full luggage. Honda worked with top-tier trike specialists to engineer a new, more advanced independent rear suspension that absorbs bumps like a champ and keeps all three wheels planted. Cornering is surprisingly agile for a machine of this size. The low center of gravity, combined with Honda's sophisticated traction control and torque distribution systems, allows you to glide through bends confidently. It's not a sports bike, but for a trike, the cornering capabilities are among the best in the industry. Add to that anti-lock brakes on all three wheels, and you've got stopping power that matches its go power. Comfort-wise on the outside, the seat is a true marvel. It's wide, plush, and perfectly contoured for long-distance riding. But what really takes it to the next level in 2025 is the newly integrated exterior heat management system. The side panels have been redesigned to redirect engine heat away from the rider, making long summer rides far more enjoyable. The windshield is electrically adjustable, and its shape has been reworked for better wind deflection, reducing fatigue and noise at high speeds. One of the most exciting updates this year is the new passive cooling vent system embedded into the fairing design. It allows air to flow smoothly through the trike's bodywork, reducing drag and helping the engine and brakes stay cooler over extended rides. This kind of detail is what makes the 2025 Gold Wing Trike not just a bike, but a high-performance touring platform. Honda has also focused on technology integration on the exterior. The lighting system is now fully adaptive. The headlights adjust automatically depending on your speed, lean angle, and ambient lighting. At slow speeds or sharp turns, the side lights activate to illuminate the path better. It's a feature borrowed from luxury cars, now making its way to high-end trikes like this one. For long-distance travelers, storage is crucial, and the 2025 Gold Wing Trike doesn't disappoint. The rear trunk is massive, capable of swallowing up full-size helmets, bags, and even some camping gear. The top box features a sleek new design with power lift assist for easy access. Side compartments are weather-sealed and now open with the simple push-button mechanism. It's all been engineered for practicality without compromising the bike's flowing silhouette. There's also a new optional tow hitch package for 2025. It allows you to hook up a small trailer for even more carrying capacity, perfect for riders planning cross-country tours or attending big rally events. And the best part, it doesn't mess with the ride quality or balance. Honda made sure it integrates cleanly with the frame and doesn't interfere with the suspension or handling. One standout new feature is the keyless entry system for all storage compartments. With the smart key fob in your pocket, you can unlock the trunk, side cases, and even start the bike without taking it out. It's small conveniences like this that add up over a long journey. Now, let's talk about durability. The 2025 model has improved corrosion-resistant finishes and coatings on all exposed metal parts. The exhaust system, for example, is treated with a high-temp, anti-rust ceramic layer that keeps it looking fresh even after months of riding through rain or salt. For safety, Honda includes an upgraded rider assist system with blind spot monitoring and rear proximity sensors. If there's a vehicle coming up in your blind zone, an alert flashes on the mirrors. There's also a rear view camera system that activates when backing up, a huge help given the size of the machine. The trike format makes it inherently more stable, but these extra features really bring peace of mind. So, who is the 2025 Honda Gold Wing Trike for? It's built for riders who want the best of both worlds, the freedom of a motorcycle with the comfort and safety of a luxury touring machine. Whether you're aging out of two-wheeled bikes or just looking for something that can carry you and your partner across continents in style, this machine delivers in spades. It's also ideal for group rides, bike rallies, and long-distance events. You show up on a Gold Wing Trike, people notice. It's a statement piece, a comfort machine, and a performance piece rolled into one. And here's the best part: Honda is offering multiple trim levels and accessory packages, letting you customize the 2025 Gold Wing Trike to match your lifestyle. Want extra lights, upgraded wheels, or a louder exhaust note? It's all available from the factory or through authorized dealers. Alright, riders, that's a full rundown of the 2025 new Honda Gold Wing Trike, an absolute marvel in the touring world and one of the most exciting new arrivals this year. Honda has once again raised the bar, giving us a machine that's as powerful as it is comfortable, and as stylish as it is smart. If you enjoyed this deep dive and want more content like this, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and tap that bell icon so you're the first to know when a new video drops. Hit that like button if you love the Gold Wing legacy, and let us know in the comments, would you ride the 2025 Gold Wing Trike, or are you sticking to two wheels? Thanks for watching, and as always, ride safe, ride smart, and we'll catch you in the next one.